Okay guys, so I had this cool idea to show you this TypeStar 6 Canon and how to remove a switch. If you have an issue with typing and it's not actually typing out the letter, this uses a membrane style keyboard and it's a little funny. You can use a switch puller. These switches are like so. This is how they clip in. So you do not want to wiggle them. You just pull straight up with a switch puller and they should pop right out. And then with these, in order to actually take these out, you need to use a very small screwdriver, flathead preferably, and I'll just take one of these out to show you exactly what I'm doing here. Make sure we got the light, zoom in a smidge. So there are these little tabs on the sides, alright? There's a little tab here, a little tab there. So you push these tabs in while pulling up on the white part. You kind of hold it. Alright, you can't see it too well here. Hold on. There we go. Push, push, and see how it popped out? Just like that. Then we're going to do the other side. Alright. This way. And this way. And the whole switch pops out. This little black pad underneath, that is a conductive pad, maybe some sort of graphite, I'm not sure. It's very delicate. Do not wipe it with anything other than a lint-free cloth or the tip of your finger to get dust off of it. And then this contact here, blow it off real quick, and that's it. That's the cleaning that needs to be done for this. And then you put the switch right back in, and you're done. So that's your cleaning. If you have a TypeStar, it doesn't matter the TypeStar as far as I know. I think their switch design is all the same. If they have these tabs. If you don't have the tabs on your TypeStar, then don't try this. But this is at least for the TypeStar 6. So hopefully that was helpful for anyone. I didn't see a video on how to do this on YouTube, so now there's one. So cheers.